adventure. You know, we are standing friends, and every time we get together, we eat, because we like to eat.
And we like to eat good food.
Yeah, we're kind of picky people. So we found this Canadian company that if you've ever done, I don't know if you've ever done HelloFresh or anything like that, but this is like a HelloFresh where you don't get the food. They're going to give you, I'll bend my knees so you can see who's talking because my head was cut off. We're gonna have some fun things in here. And I'm gonna adjust that a little bit because sometimes it sags. Like we adjust it perfectly, and then as we stand there, it goes a little lower. And I think it sagged on us. There, now we don't have to get on our knees. Okay, so in my box, while I was out of town, this box came, but we signed up to sell a product called Epicure. If you want to know more about it, you can contact.
You're gonna find out about it with us.
Yeah,
see, I didn't get this part. I didn't get any of this.
Welcome to Good Food, Real Fast Movement. So I have some fun getting to know you things, and then a definition of what the company is. So if you want to read this, screenshot it and read it later. Okay.
We'll take some pictures and we'll put them on our Facebook pages.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
So Susan hasn't seen any of it except for, we did have some for lunch, some salad dressing.
Oh yeah.
So this is all new to her.
Here's some fun new catalogs. This is a consultant workbook. Join the Good Food Movement. And I just like have a lot of food issues. I like my food a certain way. I like it done a certain way. I like to be able to read and understand every word in my food. So I'm kind of funny. Oh, this is a cookbook.
This is, their slogan's Good Food Real Fast, and this is kind of like a diet plan, but it doesn't have to be a diet. But it, so it has, this book goes with it. So you can join a challenge. They do it, I don't know. We don't know everything yet because we've both been super busy, and she's been out of the country, I've been out of town. But it tells you like a grocery plan. It gives you like here, your grocery list for the week, what you'll eat for the week. And people have lost a ton of weight, and you can, like, they'll have a Facebook support group, and then you can also get this little diary where you record like your exercises, how much water you've had, your grocery plan list. And then it comes with the measuring cups. Can you see your measuring cups? Here. Where you measure your fruit and vegetable, your proteins. So if you do meal prep, or you do the diet thing, or you just need some measuring cups, it works for that. We're sagging again.
Ah, we're sagging again.
So this, super cool.
Is that better?
Yeah. But the best thing is, there's all kinds of like good, like there's lasagna, and like things you don't think about being on a diet. And then check these out. We have some cocktails. We like cocktails.
So there's a guacamole mix. This mix has 3 onions in it. Here's some measuring spoons. But this is what makes me happy. This is chocolate instant pudding. My grandkids love this, but for me, I'm kind of weird about what I feed them. I have this theory. You're a little person, you eat very little. You need to make sure what goes in your belly is good stuff. So this is organic coconut palm sugar, food starch, organic cocoa powder, and sea salt. I can read all of that. You mix it with 1 cup of milk.
That
I like
sounds good.
I can do it.
Same with this
2
one.
cups. Yeah.
This is mac and cheese, and it has recipes on it for regular mac and cheese, Mexican mac and cheese, pizza mac and cheese, or tuna casserole. And it's made from cheddar cheese, which is pasteurized milk, cheese culture, whey, buttermilk solids, mustard, and flour and onion. So it's not like the Kraft, but it's similar as how you would make it.
And what it's got is some spices with it too, which I like my spices, and I like them. The place we used to get our spices from isn't there anymore. So some tongs. This is a summer berry mix.
Read the ingredients on that one.
Okay. We're sagging. We know we sag with age, but this is kind of ridiculous. Okay, so this is a summer berry And it has organic cane sugar, raspberries, hibiscus, strawberries, and organic rooibos.
That's what's in our Tivana tea.
Yeah, that's tea. Oh, and it's making a dip with Greek yogurt.
Yeah, and you can mix it with your oatmeal or your yogurt or cream cheese to make dessert.
Here's a funnel. I have an 18-month-old next week for a week. So when I come back and we see you again, I'll let you know what the 18-month-old ate. Because here's a mix, a shaker bottle with some mix. There's a knife.
Yeah, this is a cool knife. I should have got mine in here because it's already open.
There's a
You open that and I'll get my knife.
So this is what I mean about a meal, like kind of like HelloFresh. Mark and I did HelloFresh for a while. We really liked it. But sometimes we wouldn't get to the meals right away and the things would go bad. So in here I have balsamic vinaigrette seasoning, a marinara seasoning, and some Alfredo seasoning. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different recipes using what came in my box. So I find this super intriguing and I'm excited about it because I do believe this is something that I will use. Again, I'm big on the healthy eating.
Here's the knife.
Okay.
Would you like to see your knife?
Here's a Greek one. Oh, a knife with a case. I love a knife with a case. This has Greek seasoning. Oh, it's got a Greek seasoning, spinach dip, lemon dilly dip, and a spice that I don't know what it is, but it's not spelled like it's
Souvlaki.
There you go.
Souvlaki is gyros to you Americans. Gyros, gyros, however you say it. Same thing. Souvlaki.
I just
The
got
rest
back
of the world calls it souvlaki.
I just got back from Greece, so these are things that I'm excited to try. I've got 5 more recipes. And when you look at, I like a picture recipe. I like to know what it's gonna look like.
Your cows are stuff to go to. Let me get one of my cows.
And then here's Mexican. And in the Mexican one, it's similar. I have a guacamole wit mix, which we're huge fans of. A pico salsa, nacho cheese dip, and fajita seasoning. So I've got 4 in here. I'm interested about the nacho cheese. You're mixing it with sour cream, cream cheese, grated cheddar, and you heat it up. And in the dip is onion, Parmesan cheese, red bell peppers, chilies, chili powder, green bell peppers, tomatoes, spices, and herbs. I can read it. And 5 more Mexican recipes. Fajitas, nachos, wraps, huevos, rancheros, burritos, enchiladas. Ta-da! As we've dropped it in. Excuse me, I keep trying.
It's like it. We have our own cameraman over there and it goes from our faces to the product.
Yes.
So this company's been in Canada for 20 years and it has it, like it's started in the US, but you can't actually order it until sometime in August. So if you'd like to sign up to sell it, then you can get all this stuff and we could help you do that. But you can, and then you can start ordering from us sometime in August.
So there's cutting mats and then there's some steamers and
Yeah,
things.
open this. This is really cool. Or I could have gotten mine and we could have opened it. But I lost my little chart. Because I had some, my nephews were over yesterday and they liked looking at all this stuff.
Oh, okay.
But it has a little chart that tells you everything that, like how long you can steam. How much you can make. You can make bacon in it.
I like silicone things that go in the microwave.
It has a recipe to make your lasagna in the microwave.
Huh.
That's fun.
Then it has some, cutting boards again and some,
And I have one of these from another company. It's probably 20 years old, at least. And it's white. And it has started to lose, like, it's white everywhere except for where the lemon juice gets it. But this one has a lemon and a lime. So it's got a, like you move the green one if your lemon's big and if your thing's small. Because the one I have now is one size. And sometimes your lemon's too big and sometimes your lime's too small. So this one's kind of customized for what size your fruit is.
just so you know, I taught this to my sister. I thought everybody knew this, but apparently they don't. If you slice it because she has trees in her backyard. And she kept saying she had a lime tree, but she has a terrible time with the seeds. I'm like, dude, if it's got seeds, it's not a lime. Lime don't have seeds. Lemons do. She goes, no. I bought a lime tree. And she's like, and they're green. And I said, but they go green before they go yellow. I won. She has lemons. Makes really good lemon stuff. So we're excited to kind of play with this new venture. We still love our Stampin' Up! Businesses, and that's not going to change, but we eat when we're together, and we like the same kind of things.
Yep.
So this is going to be good for us.
And we'll like trying new things with this stuff. So like one of the things it does in here, like it will give you, with what she just had, like the souvlaki, and then it has what to do with your leftovers. So it gives you not just what the original thing is, but then it gives you some ideas from your leftovers, which is good. Like my daughter and her friends, here's, where is it? It has butter chicken, but then it also has where you can buy like a month of things or a week of things. Like this one's a 3-week dinner collection. So then it gives you all of the stuff that you'll eat for 3 weeks.
Can you just buy the cookbook?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can just buy lots of this. So we just have really a small assortment. What's in here? Like here's, you can make your own broth in a jar.
We made a salad dressing today for lunch that was fabulous.
Yes, it was very good. So if you want a catalog, you can go to our Facebook pages and our links are on there, or we can give you a catalog. We'll be doing some tasting tests, so you can come to our house and you can taste what we do have.
Oh yeah, we'll
And
definitely
then-
be tasting.
Yes, we'll do lots of tasting.
Every time we get together, there'll be tasting.
Yes, and we'll try to come up with new ways to use some of this stuff, not just the ways that they have in the books, because that's kind of like what we like to do. Like, I think this looks disgusting, because there's not very many things I don't like. I don't like watermelon, but everybody thinks this looks delicious.
Oh yeah, I think it. I have a lot.
But
of
here's also some watermelon, not watermelon, some overnight oatmeal. I think that does look delicious.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And this is exactly how we like to cook. We like to put our things in cute little jars.
Well, you know what? Kayla used to like to make overnight oatmeal. She'd take it to work and eat it while she was getting ready for class to start. So
I
that's
used
a
to
good
take
idea.
it to work too. Because when you go to work. So that's our new thing.
Okay.
So if you're interested,
Can't wait to
just
share it
let us
with you.
know.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thanks.
Bye.